Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to get a video out for you guys today. It has been so chaotic with us trying to get out of our rental and into our brand new house build. It's just been insane. So there's stuff everywhere and I have so much to do. So let's get started right away here. This bathroom is in a serious need of a deep clean. Like, there's soap stuck on the floor. We have 4 boys, so you can imagine what it's like around the toilet. And I'm not going to censor anything in this video. So what you see is exactly what's been going on in this bathroom. So some of you guys might want to close your eyes. So this bathroom is going to need a serious scrubbing. So in this video, I actually got a new cleaning tool I'm so excited about because I've wanted one of these for a long time. It is the VacLife cordless power scrubber. And I'm telling you guys, this is so great. And it just like saves your back so you're not crouching right down, bending over. It's got a long handle and it reaches in all sorts of little nooks and crannies. What I really like about this power scrubber is that it is really powerful with its high performance 428 RPMs. It also has 2 spin speeds, which is great for different cleaning needs. It is equipped with an extendable handle and an adjustable brush head so you can adjust your angle. It also has water resistant brush heads so you don't have to worry about splashes when you're rinsing. Now the battery lasts quite long. It is designed to last up to 90 minutes so you can work continuously without having to charge. And what I really love about this scrubber is all the brush heads you get with it. There are 4 different brush heads you can use this for, and pretty much any cleaning job it gets done. So walls, toilets, tubs, floors, staircases, counters, stoves, sinks, and the corner brush works awesome to reach those hard to reach corners. Alright, so I'm just putting the spin scrubber together here. I want to charge it so it's fully ready to go. Here's on the manual, it gives you all the information how to use it. So it did not come fully charged. So I'm plugging it in, making sure it's ready to go because I have a lot of deep cleaning to do in the bathroom. But in the meantime, I'm going to head into the bathroom because I have a lot of decluttering to do. I don't want to be taking all sorts of like almost empty bottles and just all of the junk that's in there. I don't want to bring it to the new house. So I'm going to head in there, get rid of a bunch of stuff, get those counters cleaned off, and then I can use my tool to do some deep cleaning. And if you are interested in a VacLife spin scrubber for yourselves, I will leave the link in the description box down below. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on the toilet. Yeah, it's not a pretty picture. We have the 4 boys and literally it's like we are living in a frat house right now. Like, I'm not home a lot of the times during the day, so the boys are in and out. They go to school, they go to hockey. It's just a crazy way to live right now with us building our house, and I don't get regular deep cleaning done. The toilet lid is loose here. I don't even know how that happened, so I just grabbed whatever that is, a screwdriver, I guess you call it. I grabbed it and I just cleaned all around it, and then I tightened the lid. I really should be wearing gloves right now, but we, like I said, like our supplies are just all over the place because I already packed a bunch of things for out at the house, and I really want to get this bathroom clean, so I'm not about to just go run to the store and buy gloves. So anyways, I'm just cleaning it. I'll wash my hands when I'm done. Toilet is now clean, but our countertops are a big mess. So there's a hockey puck in the bathroom here. I have no idea why, but this is the kind of stuff I'm dealing with. So anyways, I'm just going to get cleaning. I'm going to have the music going here. If you guys have some deep cleaning to do, clean along with me. here I came across Pacey's gold chain. He'd been looking for that everywhere, and I forgot that I put it in that little glass container, and it ended up in the bottom, like all sticky with I don't even know what. So I was just washing it off. The clasp broke on it, so I have to take it to a jeweler to get it repaired. So the cleaning supplies are all ready, like packed up and gone. The only thing I kept here was the spray bottle. Now in that spray bottle, I have Mr. Clean and water. So it's diluted Mr. Clean solution. It cleans basically anything. So I figured I would just use that as an all-purpose cleaner to clean everything in the rental house. So I'm just spraying down the toilet. The wall had some kind of soap or splash marks on it. So I just sprayed that, wiped it down, giving the toilet a good shine up here finally, and then I'll get started on the floor all around the toilet because that's pretty nasty. And if any of you guys are wanting an update on our house build and how that's going, just head on over to my Instagram account. I do post reels and stories in there where there's updated information on how the house is going. That little mini spin scrubber was my Rubbermaid Reveal brush. It is such a cute little gadget, and it gets the job done when you have to clean those tiny little areas. So I have that link down below in my description box as well. But now it is time to use my spin scrubber brush. As you can see, there's all sorts of disgusting gunk coming out from under the toilet, like right where the toilet meets the floor. It is so gross, but it loosens all of that disgusting, gross gunk super easily, so I don't have to sit there and scrub on my hands and knees. Now that all of that gunk has been loosened, I just went around with a paper towel, picked up all of the chunks, and now I'm just going to wash the area with some fresh water. So I'm pouring that out. I'm going to refill the bucket with sanitized water, and I sanitize this brush also, so don't get grossed out, guys. I'm not spreading toilet gunk all over the wall. I did fill that bucket with water and bleach and really sanitized it. So now I'm cleaning the wall. So the spin scrubber makes it so much easier to clean the shower. I just gave it a quick spray down with my cleaning spray, and now I have my tool. Like I said, I bleached it. It's all nice and clean, and I'm just going to all the little corners where all that soap is collected and all the crud is collected, and I'm just scrubbing it right off. Super easy with this tool. Okay, now that everything is all scrubbed down, I'm just taking my shower head here and just rinsing the whole shower down, and it is sparkling clean. and I'm just going over the floor one more time with nice and clean water, making sure that everything is sanitized and cleaned. Now I just noticed I couldn't really get in that corner there, so I put in my corner tool on the spin scrubber and I just sprayed down the corners, and then I'm using this to get those hard to reach spots, and it works super great. So all of the crud is loosened, so I just grabbed my paper towel and just picked it up. Okay, so that was one job that is finally out of the way. The bathroom is sparkling clean. Like, everything is just so fresh smelling and clean. Hasn't been this clean in a while. So now I'm just gonna wash my hands. As you can see, there's a little LED light on the tap. I picked that up at Five Below for the kids. It was just something fun for them to use. So it's our rental house. It's not like it's nicely decorated or anything like that, so I just put that on there for fun. This shelf is going to have to be next. I have to declutter that, but that'll have to be for another day. So right now I have to head into the kitchen. It's a big mess in here. I have to get the kids fed, and pretty soon it's the end of the night. So I'm going to start with unloading the dishwasher, or am I loading the dishwasher? I'm not quite sure what I'm doing here, but anyways, either way, it has to get cleaned up. So I'm going to get started here. Because we've been super busy at the house, something's got to give, so I just bought a store-bought lasagna. I popped that in the oven, so at least it's something that's kind of like home-cooked tasting. This lasagna is actually super good. So I'm dishing this out for the kids. I made them some garlic bread, and then I also gave them a side of green beans. So it's a pretty decent dinner, especially when I haven't had a lot of time today. And now that dinner is dished out, I can work on getting the kitchen cleaned up for the evening. So that's what I'm doing right now. As soon as that dishwasher is all loaded up, I'm gonna fire it up, get it started. And there's always dishes in the sink though. Like, I never seem to be able to get caught up. I think it's basically because we are in and out all the time. I'm never really here all day. In the new house, it'll just be a lot easier, I feel like. Like when we were in our other house and we didn't have two houses going at the same time, I was able to keep the kitchen clean. But here, the struggle is real, guys. Like, I am having a super hard time, but I see the light at the end of the tunnel. It is almost over, and then we'll be on a better routine. Okay, so the dishwasher soap tab is going to have to go in. I can't get any more dishes in there, so I'm just going to have to do some hand washing here. Emmett wanted to buy this cute little pumpkin the other day at the store, so I'm just going to turn it on and put it on the windowsill. I think it's going to look super cute at night. I've got a couple of dishes left in the sink there, but I'm going to head over to the kitchen table because we've got a bunch of crumbs from garlic bread all over the place. Chandon's just having a seat, keeping me company, so I'm just spraying down the kitchen table and wiping all of that up right now. And we've got one of Jeff's shirts here that needs some stain treatment, so I'm just using that, spraying it down, and hopefully I can get all of this, I don't know what it is. I think the washing machine did it. There was some crud in the door and then it got on the shirt. So anyways, hopefully I can get that out, but it is a white shirt, so that's really hard to get out once it's baked in. And before the end of the night, I want to get a load of laundry in the washing machine because the kids need some clean clothes for school tomorrow, because a lot of our stuff is already packed and gone away. And of course, Chandon requested a Nutella wrap, so I'm making him one of those. Alright, so that is the end of the video for today. I'm just going to head down to the laundry room and throw this load of laundry in. But I have lots more packing and cleaning to do. We are almost at the end here, but if you guys want to make sure you don't miss any of my future videos, please subscribe and hit that like button down below. Hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss any of my future videos, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye!